What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to disable Steam's auto updates, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So of course you can do this task because maybe you don't want Steam to be updated, or some Steam games you don't want to be updated because you just don't play them that much and you don't want your memory to be taken by the games updates you are not playing currently. So how to do it? Well, if you'd like to stop Steam from automatically updating a game, select only update this game when I launch from the games library page. From there you select properties and then select updates, and you just select this option, which is only update the game when I launch it. So your queued downloads can be manually reordered from your download manager, and you can also limit the times during the day when Steam updates your games. From your download settings, which is Steam, selecting settings and selecting downloads, check the only auto updated game box and specify the time when Steam should perform auto updates. For example, select 12 a.m. or 8 a.m. It would mean that Steam will only download auto-updated games between midnight and 8 a.m. at your local time. You can override this and tell Steam to download the update immediately from the download manager. Launching the game will also force the game to update immediately. So guys, that's the entirety of the process on how to stop Steam from auto-updating games. So as I mentioned earlier, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. Guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.